Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my VidPalAi video review. It's time to stop creating videos the hard way. Harness the most powerful AI technology to write, record, and fully create profit-producing videos for any niche. This new GPT-4 powered app drives more traffic, conversions, and sales with pro-quality videos. Comes with an agency license so you can do this for clients too. GPT-4 powered whiteboard video creation software designed to produce profits for your business. Create AI-generated whiteboard videos in any niche quickly. Generate unlimited jaw-dropping, traffic-pulling whiteboard sales videos, business ads, product promos, informational videos, squeeze-page vids, explainers, and tutorial videos like magic. Lightning-fast high-quality video script creation inside the same app. Drive more buyer traffic to your websites, channels, blogs, and offers. Get viral traffic by posting these whiteboard videos on trending topics and on social media. Zero special skills required. Manage all your video creation inside one single dashboard. Wave goodbye to outsourcing expenses and freelancers. Be your own video making wizard. ROI rocket fuel. Buckle up for a mind-blowing ROI of 500% or more. Asterisk not guaranteed, but we've certainly seen it. Launch your own AI business and ascend to higher levels of online wealth with the agency license. PLR producers can use this to craft high-quality training courses that sell like hotcakes. Dominate your market and crush your competitors with this world-class technology. Rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.